Hey guys, it's Mo. We're building the aerial Ropeway passenger cabin set. It's number 120 made by Tamiya. And this is the instructions. Pack 1 and pack 2. And that's what we're going to cut out after we have done the building stuff. Let's see. So we just finished step 1, and step 1 was connecting cables to the motor, like you can see right there. And it was kind of hard because I didn't understand it. So we're going on to step 2 now, and it's attaching the gears to the frame of the build. And then, let's see, the frame is kind of small actually. Let's see if I can get this out, which I probably can. Okay. And I need some pliers, and it's these two gears we're using to actually make it go around, I guess. Let's see, now I have to put the big swing on, put the washer on it. Let's see, it's not let that fall off. Gently put it down. This is really hard. Okay, never mind, it's not that hard. And put it down. And I did it. So now we're going to put the hex shaft in, which I don't know what it is, but it's a thing. So try to get this in, spin that, and it's in. See, and then next let's grease all of the things. Let's put some grease down there, and grease on this gear, and then that should rub into that gear, and this, and then let's grease some of that. Come on, there we go, and we're done greasing. And let's just spin this so all the grease can get onto the other gears. And that's good. So now we're going to put the battery things in. And then we have to push down like that. Come on. Push down. And there we go. And then we have to push this down like that. And let's get the other side, which is right here. That goes in like this. Perfecto. You push this in like that, and let's see. Should be good. So now we're going to put the pulley onto the hex shaft, which is kind of easy, I guess. That should just slide on. There we go. And that just slid on nice and easy. Now we're going on to step 3 on the aerial Ropeway set. So we're going to trim all these pieces, and we're going to get back to you. So now we have to grease just a little bit on this. Let's see, come on. Good. It's getting stuck. There we go, that's good. So now we have to grease. See, it's facing that way around, and we have to grease this bit. Why is this stuff so, okay, the lot came out. So now we have to clip this onto here like that. Perfecto. And now that should be good. And now we have to trim off K1. This should be, yep, K1. Okay, got this off. So we got K1. Now we have to get A2, which is A2. That's really small. Okay, A2. I need to trim some of this stuff up. Kinda how to get that. Trim. There we go, that's good. So now we got K2 and K1. Put this here, like that. And you put this here, like that. And then I put that so it does not move around. See how it does not move around? And so you put this here. We need to do that step one more time. See, get that bit. And just see, that's how. See, let's get this off. And A2. See, this one's A2 is really hard to get off. Okay, perfect. So now we'll see how it moves. So be careful, because if you don't get this in the correct space, you kind of mess the whole entire thing up. So now we just have to push this in, and that's done. So the next step is to put the main pulley wheels on. You have to push this through, and then we have to take the big pulley wheel. Make sure the big pulley wheels on the side that actually has that big thing that's sticking out, because if it's not, you're putting it on the wrong way around, and you should kind of fix that. See, this is really how to pop off. What the heck? Finally. Now I just have to. There we go. So we got this. Now we have to get A1. Chop that off. Like that. Let's get some A1. A1 hot sauce. Put this like that. Put this in. Put that in. That fits nicely. And we have to keep it like that to get K2, which is this one. Now we're done with the K set. So after this, I'm gonna put those in the trash. Got K. Get A1 over here. Pop that off. And we put it's like that. And take this other side. And pop this. Oop, that. So now we're going to attach the change lever, which I don't know what that is. So now we're just going to put this on here, smack that on, and we have to put this on this. Let's see, smush this down just a little, and we will push this in, and I'll screw this in. Should be good. Yeah, it's perfect. So now we're going to attach the support to the chassis, so that's supposed to go in like that. And we get these two screws, and we put this in like that. And I need this screwdriver to put this in. Let's see. Nice and tight. We have to get the other screw. which fits in easily as well. Now let's glue this in. Okay, that's perfect. See, that spins good. And now we have to attach this big rubber band. Okay, so, and then after this, let's put the battery in. So now we're going to put the rubber band on. Well, I don't know how this is big enough, but I think it stretches. So let's put this on. Okay, that's good. So now we're going to put the battery in and see if it works. That's cool. That's real cool. Let's see if that's cool. Well, that's spinning fast. Wait, let me see something. So now we're making the cabin, and you cut out the actual box, which is really cool. So we just finished cutting out the box, I guess, the bottom of the box. And we're going to score the paper using this very sharp knife, and be careful because you could cut yourself. I don't know why my dad's letting me do this. That's really hard. Okay. Now we have to get this. Let's see. Carefully. I kind of messed that one up, but we try. To get it like straight on. That's good, I guess. So we just finished the cabin. It just clips on nice and easily, and we'll be back in a minute after we set up the rope. Here is an action. Slowly but surely climbing the hill. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Boing. It's faster that way.